Next, we'll set up our asteroid to be shown when the value of level is greater than 0 and hidden otherwise. Now all we need to do is make more asteroids, like this. Right-click on the rock sprite and click Duplicate. That'll create a copy of the rock sprite. Then duplicate the rock sprite again until you have 5 asteroids. Right now, all the asteroids show up as soon as you click the flag button. We want the number of asteroids to vary based on the level selected. So do the following. Click the Rocks 2 sprite, click the Code tab, enter 1 in the level greater than 0 value oval, and then do the same for each copy of the sprite so that for Rocks 2, the level is greater than 1, Rocks 3, the level is greater than 2, and so on. Now press the flag button to try it. For more videos in this series, please subscribe to the DSU Education channel. Thank you.